Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark multiple messages as read on the OfferUp app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using OfferUp and you want to go ahead and keep your chats, but you want to go ahead and remove that number 60 notification of where it says inbox. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So what you need to do is that let's click on inbox. Next, click on edit on the upper left hand corner. Now what you can also do is that you could actually click on sort on the upper right hand corner. And let's actually click unread first. Then click on edit on the upper left hand corner and you can select which boxes you want to go ahead and mark as read. So let's select all these chats that I was not able to respond to. And with these chats, let's actually click as mark as read and then click on mark as read again. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark multiple messages as read on OfferUp app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.